What is up, my yos? I'm back with another reaction, and this time I will be doing a reaction to No Talking, Just Eat. And you know, you guys, she did a face reveal. This is my first time seeing it, and her link to her original video will be below in the descriptions. No copyrights intended. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and let's get into this video.
Most people ask me all the time, how would I describe my personality? How would I have to say it? 50% country.
Country.
45% classy and 5% ratchet.
5% ratchet. The most highly requested video.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl. This is Miriam. I'm coming to you today with a face reveal. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into it. This has been a highly requested video, and so I just decided, you know, why not not do it? Just go ahead and just get her done. So this is me.
Get her done.
So today I'm doing a mukbang, and today we got some deep fried shrimp, some potatoes, some corn. I got the blood sauce here, and then
That blood sauce. Everybody rocking with that blood sauce, y'all. Bang bang sauce. Bang 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 bang. Man, look at that shrimp. Boy, that mother look like it's just crunchy and good. I bet it is. And y'all know I was always wondering when was she gonna show her face, because you know, there's a lot of people that do these videos like this and don't show their face. Look at that corn. And her channel grew really fast too. She gonna get the dancing, boy. She be dancing, y'all. I know it is good, honey. My Thanksgiving was wonderful. And the way she be seasoning her food, when she be mixing it up, oh, it look like it just gonna be good, for real.
Most people ask me all the time, how would I describe my personality? How would I have to say it? 50% country, 45% classy, 5% ratchet. Always have a little ratchetity in us.
That bang bang sauce look like it is good. No, we haven't.
For weeks. I'll sit there and stand there and ask me how I'm doing. I'm good. I've just been really busy. I made a transition to be a dialysis nurse. And it is intense. Intense, like to the 10th power. I never knew it was so intense, but I thank all of you for all your prayers, all of your love, all your support.
Some careers can be like that, seriously. Very intense.
I'm just gonna wing this and get in. Just wing the conversation.
Wing it, girl. Go on and wing it.
For some of my new subscribers who haven't seen any of my videos of my voice revealing video, my name is Miriam. I'm 37 years old from Maryland.
No kids.
Not married, don't have any children. I'm not trying, but I'm not trying to have children, if you know what I mean. Okay. Doing this ASMR since March of 2018, and I've really been enjoying it. It's been so much fun.
Keep doing it. Keep bringing them videos out, girl.
All the challenges to have experiment with cooking, and I love food, y'all. That's just what it is.
Me too, honey. I love food too.
So
She always say that.
I'm gonna finish this. I wish I could share some of it with you. I'm telling you. It is so
Honey, give me one of those shrimp then. I need to jump through that and get me a shrimp. Sure, do some mukbangs for us. Yeah.
Yeah, I just want, I want you guys to be honest. Like, will some of you stay? Will some of you leave? Will some of you, you know, it's okay either way.
I'm gonna stay. Go on and do your mukbangs.
Leave a comment down below just to let me know what you guys would do. So good.
It like when they be eating that food. Woo. It tastes. You be wanting it, like, ooh.
Sweet chili sauce and hot sriracha sauce is so good.
I know it is good. Oh, there she go. Yeah, there you go, there you go.
Some of my favorite ASMRs, mukbangers, are, of course, that's ASMR. I can't pronounce his name.
I watch that.
But I'll put his name down below. Honey, I can't pronounce his name and I'm gonna say it wrong. I love him. I watch his videos for a long time. I love Suella ASMR. I love Love's Life. Who else? I love Pink ASMR. Be Smooth, that's my boy. Love him. He's so good. Who else? So many.
It is a lot of them, man. I believe that a lot of them watch each other. Cause I watch them. I know, let her wear what she want to wear. Yeah, don't be worried about what people wearing. We watch these videos to see them eat. I never had one of those drinks before, but I've seen a lot of people drinking them. I never had one. Mm.
I had to use a really small tripod to put on here on the phone, on my cell phone. Just record a video, so.
Yes, it is, honey. He will do it. Give me a bite of it, cause it look good. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, look at that. It just looks so crunchy. Mm. We want to see more mukbangs. Cause you know it's a lot of them out here be trolling. It's okay. Let them say anything they want, man. You just gotta overlook them and keep going.
Luckily, being a nurse, you learn to build some tough skin because some patients.
She ain't lying.
That's just what it is.
That's just how it gonna be, honey. Man, I bet that shrimp is just off the chain. Just finger licking good. Yes, he will, honey. Amen.
for almost 3 months. So I go Monday through Friday. I do like 3 days a week. At the dialysis center where I'm working, then I do 2 days a week in the classroom.
You gotta get that paper, honey. You gotta get that paper. Career paper.
I do have to travel quite a bit of distance. For this job as well as training. Oh, your girl's about to make this come to an end. Right now, trust me, my food never goes to waste. Ever. Crispy, good, soft and shrimp. Or scrimps. However you want to say it. I know this is short, but I really wanted you to look something. And just really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And almost reaching to 100K.
She gonna get to that 100K.
I uploaded more, but this dialysis nursing is really, really intense. So I just really wanted to concentrate on it for as long as possible. So now that I got a little bit of routine on training, I'll probably upload like twice a week until training is over. Also do question video, answering your questions, everything. Awesome, but hopefully before the new year. Okay.
The new year. It's around the corner.
I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your love, all your support once again. Thank you for making this channel about love, about positivity, and enjoying the food. I will have a recipe video for the next video. So again, remember, leave me a comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. If you think I should include some mukbangs. If I do, then I'll have to change the channel name for sure. And if so, about a code, let me know.
Nah, don't change your channel name, girl. Make you another channel. And thank you guys for watching my video. Miriam, if you're watching this or see this, don't change your channel name. Keep on doing what you do. Create you another channel for your mukbangs. Double it up. They gonna come. A lot gonna come with them 2 channels. Just do 2 channels. Thank you guys for watching. The link to that video is in the description below. And make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also I do seafood boils. Then that channel link will be below in the description also. And that's it, my yos. Y'all come back for more videos. Bye-bye.